to Maths with Ethan does dividing terms advanced. Alright, so if you didn't check out the first video, dividing terms non-advanced, then that video is available and it should be on your screen now. I put the things in the right place. Okay, so let's look at this. 14ac squared divided by 7c. So remember, we only work with things that are the same terms, so numbers and same letters. So let's start with the numbers first. 14 divided by 7, super easy. That is 14 divided by 7 is 2. Okay, then we have a divided by nothing. There's no other a's there, so a's just stay the same. We've got a. Then we have c squared divided by c. So remember, c squared is c times c. So then if it was divided by ac, one of the sets of c from the c squared would be cancelled out, leaving us with just a c. So that makes 2ac, super easy. We also remember when we divide by indices, that's when we have these funny numbers at the top where they multiply by themselves, we just take away the numbers. So remember, c is c1. It's the same. So it's 2 minus 1, leaving us with c1 again. We'll look at that with some further questions coming up right now. Okay, so simplify fully. 24a squared w squared divided by 3a. Okay, so let's have a look at that. So first we do the numbers. 24 divided by 3. That is 8. Now a squared divided by a. Remember, a squared is a times a. A times a divided by a is just a. So we've got a remaining again. And then we have w squared and no w's to divide it by. So w will stay the same. Gotta find the pink there. W squared. So it's 8aw squared. Okay, simplify fully this one. So 10 divided by 2. We know what that is going to be. It's 5. And then we have a cubed, or a to the 3, divided by a. So we need to remember that this is a to the 1. And when we divide indices, we just minus them. So 3 minus 1 equals a to the power 2, or a squared. Again, same with this one. 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4, easy peasy, is 2. And then we're left with our c's. So we have to do the taking away here. We have c to the power 6, c to the power 3. So we just minus them. 6 minus 3 is 3. So that gives us c to the power 3. Okay, and we have question here. 4 divided by 4. What's 4 divided by 4? It's nothing, so it's going to be 1, but we can leave that. C to the power 5 divided by c to the power 2. 5 minus 2 is 3, so that gives us c to the power 3. And then we've got g to the power 3 divided by g to the power 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, so we just leave that as g. So it's just going to be g there. And that is all we have time for today. This question we will do in dividing terms advanced, mega advanced. So check that out. Alright guys, thank you for listening, and if you enjoyed the video, subscribe and stuff.